Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is the last day for submitting assessment, and I can only submit this assessment now because I really just had the change to have a conversation, and this one was online. Was online, so I couldn't meet in person, and my friend is from Malaysia. The main things what's needed in definitely uh, Freud, Freudner or native one. And her name is Ainul. Yeah, her name is Ainul. She is from outside Indonesia, so I choose someone from Malaysia. And I just have I just have this change to record because baru habis ngetek lah. But one thing I really want to apologize to you, sir, because this Malaysian person isn't very fluent in English. My English is still very basic, so we only had a very short conversation in English because this was actually the first time I talked with them. I was afraid of making it difficult by bringing up heavy English topic. In the end, we only had a brief chat in English. So also maybe it was convenient for them because they were free between Maghrib and Isha. And of course, I didn't I didn't want to disturb them. I didn't want to disturb her, especially since Indonesia and Malaysia have a 1 hour time difference. So I called take too long. They were also having their final exam. That it's so I very apologize to you. And here's the video. Thank you very much, sir. Oke. Kita open dengan salam dulu ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke. Sebelum kita mulai nih, ini buat ngasih tahu dosen aku dulu ya. Awak nih orang mana?
Saya orang Malaysia.
Orang Malaysia. Oke. Nih Pak Rahman, nih saya ada teman dari Malaysia ya, Pak ya. Oke, ini langsung aja saya mulai percakapannya ya. Hello Ainul, can you hear my voice clearly?
Hi Wahyu, yes, I can hear clearly. How about you?
Oke. Yes, I can hear you well. Thank you for joining this meeting today.
You're welcome. Thank you for inviting me.
Um, Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Awaluna Ramadan, and I'm from Indonesia.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Wahyu. My name is Ainul Batrisha and I'm from Malaysia.
Okay,
I currently study in UTSM
okay.
as
Um, I'm currently a student, and this meeting is part of my English assessment.
you.
Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, I know. And how are you today?
Good. Thank you. How about you?
Uh, I'm doing well too. It's a bit too busy today, but I'm fine. By the way, is this your first time joining an online meeting like this?
No, I have joined online meeting before, but not very often.
Okay. Um, let's move to the first task. I would like to about daily activities. Can you tell me about your daily routine?
Sure, I on weekday I usually wake in the morning, have breakfast, and then go to work or study. In the
Okay,
evening, I spend time with my family or relax at home.
okay. That's so nice. Do you usually have free time on weekends? Weekends?
Oh yes, on weekend I usually rest, watch movie, and hang out with my friends.
Hmm. Okay, next to hobbies and interesting. Okay. Now let's continue to the second task. I want to talk about hobbies and interests. What is your hobby? I know.
Oh, my hobby is listening to music and sometimes exercising.
Okay. That's interesting. What kind of music do you like?
Pop music and slow they help me relax.
Hmm. Okay, okay, I see. Music is a good way to relax after a busy day. And by the way, what do you usually do when you feel stressed? Okay. Hmm, that's a good habit. Rest is important for mental health. Alright, I think that's all for today discussion. Thank you so much for your time. I know this conversation really helped me with my assessment.
Same. You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Okay, I hope we can talk again next time. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Okay. Um, my English it's no good, you know.
Okay, I understand.
Uh, I have a project. This is my assessment from my lecture, and you know, I have a hobbies too. My hobbies is drawing, you know. I see your hobbies. Your apa? Bahasanya apa sih? Kalau misalnya ini kan, em, prodi ya, prodi, project di kampus tuh kan biasanya ada kayak jurusan, ya kan?
Jurusan aku di jurusan animasi.
Oh, animasi.
Setiap hari itu aku lukis
Iya.
atas setiap hari.
Itu kemarin yang lagi pameran itu aku lihat kamu gambar itu kan, aku kira gambarnya kecil kan, pas kamu post tuh gambar gede ternyata.
Enggak, lebarnya saya A1 besar.
Aku belum pernah digambar kayak gitu tuh. Itu berapa lama gambarnya tuh?
Buat last minute.
Oke. Sekarang kamu nih di kampus pulang pergi atau ada asramanya?
Ada asramanya.
Oh, asrama. Oke, berarti nggak pulang pergi ya? Dulu aku pengen ngambil animasi juga sebenarnya. Lebih ke apa ya? Bukan animasi sih. Ke
Aku sebenarnya nggak berapa suka animasi. Tapi ibu memaksain aku masuk ini.
Oke, tadinya mau masuk jurusan apa emang?
Jurusan perabot gitu, buat produk.
Oh, produk. Sekarang nih semester berapa?
Semester 1.
Semester 1. Berarti baru ini ya, baru selesai lulus banget. Oke, sama aku nih juga baru selesai lulus nih. Tapi sayangnya aku nggak masuk situ, aku masuknya di communication.
Oh, paham.
Iya, ilmu communication. Terus ini sebenarnya tugasnya itu ngobrol tuh 30 menit. Harusnya, cuman aku iya udah selesai duluan. Terus juga apa namanya, karena tadi aku niatnya pengen diedit aja buat tugasnya, harusnya bisa dipotong-potong gitu kan. Cuman kalau misalnya dipotong-potong, misal hari ini 10 menit, besok 10 menit lagi, kan gak enak, biar sekalian aja gitu. lagi ngerjain tugas sana. Ditutup pintu ya, tolong. Iya. Oke. Apalagi ya yang mau diomongin? Ternyata apa selesai kecepatan ini.
Ya,
Iya, nggak apa-apa sih. Ntar diedit aja lah. Bingung aku juga. Terus fokus kuliah apa ada kerja juga?
oh banyak.
Oh, banyak. Apa tuh?
Um, enggak, rotoskop.
Apa tuh?
Rotoscope is like testing someone art presenting
Oh,
video.
edit
Video.
edit gitu.
Oh iya.
Oke, oke. Di sana tuh gimana sih? Apa? Kan biasanya kalau di Indonesia tuh kenal Malaysia tuh kan pasti dari Upin Ipin tuh. Iya. Ada nggak kayak misalnya ada turis gitu dari Indonesia kayak nanyain Upin Ipin gitu, ada nggak?
Oh iya.
Ada.
Uh, ada. Aku aku pernah join satu event dia daripada animasi serata dunia, ada daripada
Oh.
Thailand semua tu.
Oi.
Indonesia pun ada.
Wih. Ini aku baru pertama kali punya teman Malaysia. Kalau kamu sendiri punya teman Indonesia nggak?
Punya.
Oh, punya.
Tapi enggak video call sini lah.
Oh iya. Apa ini aku juga karena ada tugas ya. Mungkin ada yang pengen kamu tanyain gitu atau apa gitu?
Biasanya tugasan kelas kamu buat
Apa?
tugasan kelas.
Tugasan kelas.
What you
Buat kenapa?
you usually belajar?
Oh, tugas yang biasanya bikin aku belajar gitu. Ada itu biasanya tugas dari humas gitu. Itu humas yang biasanya dia ngatur-ngatur gitu buat ngomong-ngomong di belakang atau di sebuah behind the scene sebuah acara itu biasanya humas, karena kan aku di communication.
Dikasih.
Iya. Nak cakap apa lagi ya? Bingung aku nih. Apa? Sekarang nih apa nih niannya? Kegiatannya lagi ujian ya? Exam, final exam.
Exam.
Oh,
Big exam. Exam week.
N-nya kapan tuh? Finishnya?
N-nya bulan 1
Bulan 1
dalam
19. Lama betul.
satu minggu satu pelajaran.
Oh, 1 minggu 1 pelajaran. Tak macam di Indonesia. Satu hari 2 pelajaran di Indonesia. Iya, jadi seminggu udah selesai. Aku mulai tuh tanggal 5. Nanti 5 Januari aku baru mulai. Ya, aku rasa mungkin sampai sini aja ya. Tak banyak yang perlu diomongin lagi. But actually, I want to say thank you very much because you helped me for my assessment gitu kan. Nanti untuk ininya aku coba searching dulu caranya buat TF-nya gimana. Ntar kalau udah Aku minta mungkin nomor rekening atau something yang bisa aku kirimin lah, ya.
Then
Oke,
welcome.
thank you so much nih, aduh. Makasih banyak ya. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke,
Aku lihat
ya, live, tak apa.